first. How many carbons in there?
4.
There are 4 carbons. Tell me about hydrogen. But first carbon, how many hydrogen? 3. Second carbon, 2. Third carbon, 2. Fourth carbon, 3. Let's assume this carbon, this one, as your front, okay, and this carbon as your back, okay, and let's draw Newman projection. I hope कि તમને યાદ છે, ભૂલી નથી ગયા, યાદ છે? હા, okay. For this front carbon we can represent by this dot. This is your front carbon, okay. With front carbon, see, one CH3 group is attached. So let's draw CH3. Fine. And two hydrogen. So let's draw the hydrogen. Complete. Next, let's draw the back carbon. This is your back carbon. Okay, we think that exact behind this CH3, this CH3 group is there. Okay, front carbon સાથેનું CH3 છે, એની exact પાછળ. Complete. Exact આ હાઇડ્રોજનની પાછળ હાઇડ્રોજન. Exact આ હાઇડ્રોજનની પાછળ. Clear? 100%?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Here just think about theta. Theta is what? Angle formed between front carbon and back carbon. That is 0 degree. How much? 0 degree. Clear, sir? Sure? Okay. Alpha. Now what is alpha? Alpha is angle of rotation. Angle of rotation હજી તમે rotate કરાવ્યું નથી. So that is also 0. સમજી લઈએ આખું વસ્તુ. This is your C double bond C. Okay. CH3 group. CH3 group. Okay. So both the CH3 group will exactly behind it. Completely આ CH3 group front carbon છે, પાછળના CH3 group ને ઢાંકી દેશે completely. એવી રીતે જ હાઇડ્રોજન પાછળના હાઇડ્રોજન ને ઢાંકી દેશે. આ બાજુનો હાઇડ્રોજન પણ પાછળના હાઇડ્રોજન ને completely. So this form is known as eclipse. But actually this form is perfectly eclipsed. So thase? Yes. Perfectly eclipsed form. Clear? Chalo. Next, what we are doing? We are rotating back carbon by 60 degree. 60 degree. समझो हाँ? फ्रंट कार्बन ने फिक्स રાખીએ છે, ફ્રન્ટ કાર્બન ને ફિક્સ. આ પાછળ જે CH3 છે 60 ડિગ્રી આ રીતે આવી જશે હવે. હા, means see here, this CH3 group will rotate 60 degree. So આ પોઝિશન પર આવી જશે. Let's draw the front carbon first. This is your front carbon. Okay, and definitely the three groups, one is CH3 and another 2 hydrogen are attached, and this carbon is fixed. Fine. Let's draw the back carbon. Back carbon draw કરી લીધો. exactly this CH3 group will be here. This hydrogen will be here after 60-degree rotation, and this hydrogen will be here. Clear? 100%. Sure?
Yes.
So here your theta is how much?
60 degrees.
Angle of rotation.
60 degrees.
This form is eclipse or staggered. So here I am writing staggered. So જ્યાં સુધી નવા નવા conformers બને ત્યાં સુધી rotate કરાવે. Such as in ethane, only two forms are possible. One is eclipse, another one is staggered. Here what we are doing is, again we are rotating it with 60 degree. Clear? So first we draw the front carbon. First we draw the front carbon. This is our front carbon, students. And yes, the groups which are attached with the front carbon are fixed. Next, this is our back carbon. Okay, after this rotation, tell me, this CH3 group will be exactly behind this hydrogen, and definitely this hydrogen will be, sorry, આ CH3 આની પાછળ, આ hydrogen આની પાછળ, and this hydrogen will be exactly behind this CH3. Complete? Huh? Tell me about theta.
120 degrees.
Theta is 0. Alpha is 120. Alpha means angle of rotation, the number of time you are rotating the ball. Fine? So theta is 0 degree here, but alpha is 120. Different forms છે કે same છે? This form is eclipse, but not perfectly eclipse. This form you can say partially. This form is what? Partially eclipse. Fine? Clear? What is partially eclipse? Exactly CH3 group ની પાછળ CH3 ઢંકાતો, હાઇડ્રોજન ની પાછળ આ CH3 exactly ઢંકાઈ જવાનો. This is the reason this form is partially eclipsed. Let's rotate one more time by 60 degree. First we draw the front carbon. The groups which are attached with the front carbon, CH3, hydrogen, hydrogen. Let's draw the back carbon. This is our back carbon, students. Okay. With this back carbon, this hydrogen will come here now. This hydrogen will come here now. CH3 group will come here. And this hydrogen will come here. Fine. Can you tell me this form is staggered or eclipse? First tell me about theta.
Staggered.
Yes, first tell me about theta.
60 degrees.
Yes. Tell me about alpha.
180 degrees.
Yes, 180 degree. And definitely this form is staggered.
Staggered.
But here, in staggered form, see students, CH3 group is exactly opposite to CH3. Hydrogen is exactly opposite to hydrogen, and this hydrogen is also exactly opposite to hydrogen. See clearly. Right? So this is nothing but anti-staggered. This is not only staggered, but it is what? Anti-staggered. Fine. Next. Again we are going to rotate about 60 degree. So front carbon, CH3 group, hydrogen and hydrogen. Let's draw the back carbon. Okay, this is your back carbon. Now, this hydrogen will come exactly behind this hydrogen. Yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
This CH3 group will be exactly behind this hydrogen, and this hydrogen will exactly behind this CH3 group. Clearly? This is eclipse form, but can you tell me this is perfectly eclipsed or partially eclipsed? Very good. This is nothing but partially eclipsed. Fine. Tell me about theta
0 degree.
and alpha.
180 degree. 140 degree.
Clear? Again we are going to rotate about 60 degree. Let's draw the front carbon first. This is your front carbon. The groups which are attached with the front carbon are here. Okay. This is your back carbon, students. Now, after 60 degree rotation, this hydrogen will be exactly at this place. Yes or no? Okay. So let's draw your hydrogen here. Let's draw your another hydrogen here, and let's draw your CH3 group will be here. Now your theta,
60 degree.
alpha.
300 degree.
Can you tell me this form is what? Staggered or eclipsed? Okay. This form is nothing but staggered form. Now in staggered form, students, see you have three eclipse form. One is perfectly eclipsed and these two are partially eclipsed. Similarly, you have three staggered form. This is your staggered form, this is your staggered form, and this is your staggered. These is exactly opposite groups are placed exactly opposite. That's why it is known as what? Anti-staggered. But see this two staggered form. Second one and the last one. See, what is the difference? These two bulkier groups are right side to each other. Here two bulkier groups are left side. Clear? એના સિવાય કોઈ ફરક છે? બંને પાછા સેમ ડિસ્ટન્સ પર જ છે. ફરક શું છે? Left and right. So another name of this type of staggered form is nothing but gauche. What is that? Gauche form. Gauche. Okay, let's discuss about energy level, such as in case of ethane, what we have decided, staggered form is more stable than the eclipse one. The reason behind that was what? The reason behind that is, in eclipse, groups are near to each other, and that's why there is possibility of electron-electron repulsion. Whereas in staggered form, groups are like this, so there is less chances of repulsion. Clear? Okay. So in eclipse form, more chances of repulsion. So we have three eclipse form. Students. One is perfectly eclipsed, and these two are, let's give name one. This is your 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, tell me about its energy level, students. Which one is least stable out of these three eclipse form? The one which is perfectly eclipsed or the one which is partially eclipsed? Perfectly? Okay. Perfectly eclipsed form will be the less stable. Why? Because તેની આ two bulkier group નજીક છે. જ્યારે તમે partial માં જો bulkier group નજીક નથી. 3 and 5. 3 and 5 equal stability. 3 and 5 form have equal stability. Yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. 6. હવે આપણે વિચારીશું staggered. Staggered form is more stable one. But decide from this, which staggered form is more stable, gauche or anti-staggered?
Anti-staggered.
So that is 4 number. In gauche form 2 and 6 have same stability. Gauche form is 2 and 6 have same stability. Again I am writing here, this is perfectly eclipsed. These are
Partially.
yes partially eclipsed one. These are gauche and this is
Anti-staggered.
anti-staggered. So anti-staggered form is having less repulsion, hence more stability. Okay, and perfectly eclipsed form is having highest repulsion and least stability. Write down.